Hello everyone. So we have a big fall today in Bitcoin. Let's look at where we are and what we can expect from here. So it looks like we have broken through some of the support areas, and we were expecting it to. In yesterday when we reviewed, we had expected it to stop at 8,700. So if you see closely, we did spend some time there. So let's go back into 1 hour chart. So we had some stability over here above our support line, but then we broke through this early in the morning, and it has been going down since then. It tried to take support here again, which is our 8,500 line. So both the support held for some time and absorbed some volumes, but the selling pressure is too much to be able to contain here. So I think we have effectively entered medium term bear trend again. We have fallen below this couple of support areas which are very critical. So this is the time when we are being cautious, and going forward we are not going to be experimenting and buying too many alts. We will just hold the good quality alts. Now coming back to the Bitcoin itself, what is happening? So I think one of the key thing which we talked about yesterday was this big withdrawal from Mt. Gox trust called wallets, and as you can see, we had multiple wallets which were emptied, which were more than 2,000 coins. So the total withdrawal was around 24,000 Bitcoin, which is being tracked here by this website cryptoground.com. And what we are seeing is these, maybe they're dumping it in exchange, maybe they're doing block trading, and some traders are doing arbitrage, and they are selling in exchange and buying from in block trading from this seller, which is the Mt. Gox Trust. So it's very difficult to say what is really happening. What we know is that these coins were moved in a big quantity, and when we say 24,000 coins, this was at yesterday's price. This was more than $200 million worth of Bitcoin. So this is one reason I think we are seeing this. The other thing which happened overnight was there was some investigation for Upbit. Upbit is a Korean exchange which is pretty big. It's one of the biggest exchange in Korea, and they are investigating, and Upbit has officially confirmed that they're under investigation. So this spooked the market. I think that started the fall. Already we were in a selling pressure. We were seeing this. We already identified that Mt. Gox had been moving coins. So there are big volumes of red here. So now let's go back to our daily chart and say where we can stop. Now, looking at, so I think I will update these support and breakdown levels. So the worst case scenario is we go back and test this trend line at the bottom, which is a very flat trend line, as I told you earlier. So we had taken support at 6,000, then 6,500. So it's an upward moving trend line, and now it is sitting around 6,800. So that is the worst case scenario. The other thing is we had a lot of price action in this zone of $8,000. So that is another area which I would look out for. And another option is if we just fall back above this 8,500 fairly quickly, and we don't close below 8,500 today, which is we still have another almost 3 hours. And if we pull back, we don't close below this support, which is our breakout zone last time. Actually, this is not really, somebody moved it. I think it's not straight. So let me just fix it. So I think we are not very far away from this. So we should be able to come back if we have a quick pullback now. And that can be another hope that we just stop here at 8,500. So I would say this zone of 8,400 to 500 area, then the lows in this consolidation range, we have a lot of buying, which is right around $8,000. So this will be the best case scenario, while the worst case scenario looks like we may go all the way to below $7,000. So yesterday we talked about this being a buying opportunity. Now I think it's a wait and watch. We will hold what we have. We are trying to lighten up on the risky altcoin trading, and we are trying to just watch and to be conservative here till we see a bottom on this latest fall in the crypto market. So thanks for joining. Keep watching our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel to get immediate notifications. We will also do some live sessions soon to discuss more, and we will also talk about EOS very soon, because this is a month when a lot of things are happening. And I think many of you are following our channel. We are EOS is our number one coin, and we are actually at this moment we are buying some more EOS, because along with Bitcoin, EOS is falling very fast, and it can be a good buy opportunity. So thanks again for joining, and talk to you next time. Bye.